So today we are going to learn about relative to down. So what is relative and how it works on relative down? So first of all, drag the category, again sales, again order date, again try to
Janish,
zoom it.
can you show your screen?
Yeah, I'm already shared my screen. If it is visible, then please let me know. If you see,
Yes, it's visible for me.
guys, if you haven't visible, right, please let me know. Now I'm just Control Shift B. What I done that I just drag the category into rows. Again, sales into text. Again, order date into the column. Now, this is the simple data. What I mentioned that no, I rename it, mention original table. Again, I will create same table. This is nothing but table calculation. Now, Control Shift B. Now, if we go here, this is the original table. Let's do some kind of formatting. So done with the formatting. Again, above the font, choose the font for the, which font I want. No, the font is thick, right? Now Control Shift B again, some more larger. Now it's perfect. Now go to the table calculation. Now go to the table calculation. Right click to table calculation. First, if we first what we do, first we need to do add table calculation. After adding, right, we done the across. Now we need to learn down. Click on down. After click on down, we have a lot of options. Previse, next, first, last. First we go with freewise. Now if you see that I have mentioned everything in this chart. So anybody one by one how it works on that previse and how the previse calculation is doing that. When I'm talking about the down, it goes downward. If you see downward, does that mean if you see if your calculation is going this side is table across. If calculation is going downside, that downside means we calculating the downside. Now open the calculation. Now what I mentioned that you know office 2014 furniture 2014. Let's see. We are going guys now before going to and explain that we are going downside. Downside is that mean if office supplies first of all furniture why it's showing null values because if you go to the original table and open the calcine again 1,57,193 again minus into the same amount 1,57,193 it's showing the zero, right? The same thing if we come to that office supplies minus furniture, office supplies minus furniture 1,51,193 triple seven six minus 1,57,193. Is it falling minus 5417? Is it right?
Yes.
Yes.
So what I mentioned that office 2014 to furniture 2014 with the first column. Again, uh, what I mentioned that next in the second column in the office 2014 is that meant one office supplies 1,51,000. Again furniture 2014. Again furniture is it 1,57,000. When I minus it, is it showing this amount? Again, we are going downside, right? What about technology? Technology 2014 minus office supplies 2014. If you go to the technology 2014, office supply 2014. Let's go to calculate. Now go to the original table. What is the amount for technology? Anybody can tell me?
One,
One
one,
seven
one lakh
five two seven
seventy-five
eight.
thousand two seven eight.
And what is the amount for the office supplies?
One lakh
151
fifty-one thousand seven seven
776.
six.
So what we are getting an amount? We're getting 23,502.
23502.
Go to table calculation. If we're seeing the right amount or not.
Yeah, it's
Correct.
right.
Correct.
Correct. Correct. What we are doing? Office supplies minus furniture. Office supplies minus furniture. Because we are going not downside. Because go to here, edit table calculation. What is mentioned? We mention table down, okay, and mention previous. We see table down. Now, after the technologies, now why amount is no showing? Anybody have a guesses that technology? Because what we're doing at technology 2014 minus office supply 2014. Again, office supply 2014 for our furniture 2014. Then furniture we don't have data to showcase, right? Then how to showcase data? It will showcase zero, right? If you come to office supplies, right? How get an amount minus 30,000, right? Go to original table, open the calculation. Office supplies 2015 minus furniture 2015. Go to no plus right 1,37,000 double three minus 1,70,000 518. What is the amount showing? Minus 33,285. Go to table calculation. Is it showing correctly?
Correct.
Again, go to the original table. Again, open the calculation. When come to this value, now you tell me how to get the value of technology for downward calculation. What is the value for technology for 2015 for downward calculation? Do calculate and tell me. It's very easy, guys. Do it fast. It take normally 1 minute.
25,548.
Yeah, how much total?
25,548.
2548.
Yes.
Okay, let's going to calculate that. I asked the technology, right? Then
Yes.
1,62,781 minus 1,37,233.
233.
Is it showing 25,540? Let's see the number is correct or wrong. Go to the table calculation. Is it showing correct? Again, go to the second thing. Now, go to original table. Now, We can get office supplies. Again, we get technology values. Why we'll get furniture values? Anybody can tell me? Why we suppose, suppose, okay, I will tell you. For office supplies, how much the amount will get? Okay, well, let's calculate. 1,83,940 and 1,98,901. Is it showing minus 14,961? Is it correct? Then why is showing furniture values? Any guesses? Any guesses? Why is it showing furniture value? Is it showing office supplies? Is it showing technology? Then why is it showing the furniture?
because we don't have data for
Okay.
2013.
But you take this much of time to, talk, you need this much of to tell that. Simple, right? We don't have data to minus it, right? Now, for technology, we will minus for supplies. For office supplies, we'll get furniture. For furniture, what we don't have data for another category to minus it, right? Then how to calculate? Is it not possible? Then it should not be data. Am I correct or wrong? If you go here, original table, again open the calculation. For technology, we can get, what is the value we can get? Just minus it 2,71,130, 731, right? Minus 2,46,097.
92.
What we will get? 2564. Is it correct? Is it correct? Again, we will find it next values. Now 2,46,097. Again 2,15,387. 30,007,110. Is it correct? Is it correct? Then go to the original table. If you go to the 2,15,387, right? Then what is the next value? We don't have a next value. We don't have a next category value. That's why is it not showing any values? Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You understand, right? Guys, please be, connected with me. Try to be more interactive. I don't tell and again. Okay. Now we're done with the down. Go to the main part. This is the most confusing part, but we try to understand that how it works. When come to the table calculation, in the table itself, we can do a lot of wonder things. Now I tell that, table across, how we can do. Again, now I tell that table down, how we can going to calculate with fraction of second. Now I'm going to tell that table across, then down. Table across, then down. Go here, edit table calculation. We done table across, we done table down. Now table across, then down. What is that mean? What is the image is showing? Anybody can tell me? This image is going first across, then down. Again, first across, then down. Is it showing zigzag? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
What we're doing, we are going across, then coming down. Again, going to across, going down. What is the mean relative to across, then down? The meaning itself across, then down. Then how to see the calculations? First, see that. Now, for the creating a furniture, is it showing 2014 minus 2013? Let's go here. Now 2014 minus 2013 data we have. Tell me. Hello, go to the original table. We have a 2014. If you go to the chart, what is saying? Furniture 2014 minus 2013 according to across. First, we will go with across, then down. Go to the across, go to the down, right? Then furniture 2014 minus 2013, right? We don't have values. That's why it's showing zero. Go to the next. You know, furniture 2015 minus 2014. Go to the table. Furniture 2015 minus furniture 2014. Because first we will go to the across, then come down. Again, go to the across, and come down. Then go to calculate 1,70,518. Again minus 1,57,193. Is it showing what amount is showing? Let's one second. Just mistake happened. 1,70,518 minus 1,57,193. Is it showing 13,325? Is it showing correctly or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
we are first we will go across, then down. Okay, first what will go? First we will go this light. Go across, then down. Go across, then down. Okay. Now, how we will get amount 28,383? Go to original table, open calculator, then furniture 2016 minus furniture 2015. Now 1,98,901, right?
23.
Minus 1,70,518.
1,70,518.
Correct. Then what is the amount showing?
28,383.
28,383.
Is it showing correctly?
Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
sir. Correct.
Guys, you are amazing, guys. I don't know, you're really amazing.
Correct.
You are really good. Now, you guys tell me what is the next value? How much you taking, guys, right? Meanwhile, I already done.
16,486.
How much you telling?
16,486.
Oh, that's great. Perfect. Now, this is the main important step we have to understand. Now we done with the across. Now we coming downward. Is that mean now go across, coming down, right? If you go to the image, going on across, then coming down. After going in office supplies, I'm opening my notepad. I remove everything. Now, now this is a very important thing, right? Office supplies. I write office supplies. Again, office supplies 2014. 2014. What is the value? Value is, total. Let's go to the original table. Then open my sticky notes. Office supplies is 1,51,000. 1,51,776. Now, office supply 1,51,776. We are going to zigzag, right? We need to check these values. According this value is nothing but furniture 2017. Then write furniture. Then first write, value. First come to that. First write furniture. Then write 2017 because it is last value. Now is equal to how much amount? 2,15,000. 387.
7.
Now I'm going to calculate this. 1,51,776 minus 2,15,387.
Seven.
Is it
minus
minus
63.
63,611? Is it
Yes.
correctly showing or not? If you see
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Correct.
what we done, we go with the across, then coming down. Again, go to the across. Let's go to the original table. Now, again, going to the across, office supplies 2015 is nothing but 1,37,233. Again, office supplies 2014 is nothing but 1,51,776. Is it minus 14,543? Is it correct or not?
Correct.
Correct.
Correct, sir.
Now, now you go now, go with the last value, and we have not wasted time. We understand, right, how to calculate this amount minus 17,000. I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
Go to the original table, open the calculation. Now you guys tell me how to calculate this technology amount.
We take 1,75,278 minus 2,46,097.
Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
it's correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now you guys understand that, how to work on the calculation. Done with the across, done with the down, across then down, down then across. Now we understand that how to go with across then down, how to go to across then down. Then going to the next part, this is something and amazing. If you work on that, then definitely you like that. Now this is the part like that. Now coming downside, again go. Again coming downside, again across. Again coming downside, going to across. Again coming downside. If you see, down, across, down, across, down, across. Precisely what we are doing, we are zigzagging. Going with the across, then downside, going with the across, again downside. Now situation is same. First come to down, then go to across. First come to the down, go to the across. Go here, irritable calculation, mention down to the across, revise, then remove this. Go to the original table. Now, as you're comfortable, I've mentioned everything here. How to calculate my year to year. Now, if you go to the table calculation, is it not showing first value? Because there is no data itself. Again, furniture 2015 minus, let's come down. Okay, let's come down. Sorry for that. Now, office supplies 2014, furniture 2014, right? If we coming downward, right, what we do? We do technology minus office supplies. Again, office supplies minus furniture. Furniture minus what? We don't have data. That's why you're choosing null value. Let's suppose office supplies minus furniture. Open the calculation. 151,776 minus 157,193. Is it showing that minus 5417? That minus 45416.
Yes.
Is it fine?
Yes.
Now again down. Now original table. Technology minus office supplies. 1,75,278 minus 1,51,776.
Twenty-three
Sorry for
thousand
that.
five zero two.
Correctly showing or not? What I mistake has been done? Let me check again. Go to the original table. 1,75,278 minus 151. 776. Is it showing correctly? Perfect. Now we come to the downside. Now you guys tell me how this value is calculated. Minus 4760. Let's do it fast.
We we take technology for 2020 2014, then
Let's
furniture for
wait. Let's wait.
2015.
Let's wait. Technology 1,75,278.
minus
Then
Minus
minus,
one lakh
170,512
70,000
518.
518.
is it correct?
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. Now you guys tell me that how the value is calculated of 2017.
Yoga.
Sorry,
If
Dinesh,
you
can you
see,
go back to the other sheet?
okay. I mentioned
The one
everything
with the
here.
values,
The
the
values,
one
right?
that you calculated.
Is that e-value, right?
Yes. Okay, I
I'm
wanted to
already
check on this. Like it's minus 4760. Isn't it supposed to be the other way around?
minus 4760,
Zero.
right? This is the showing, right? You can find this
Yes.
value original table, right? Go to table calculation. Is it how to find this value, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
1,75,000 minus 1,70,000. Open the calculator. 175,
Positive.
2,728 minus 1,70518. It is 4,760.
Oh, it's down then, of
Is it
course.
correct?
Positive. This one
Yes.
is
Positive.
negative.
Positive.
Okay, I will tell you about this. What you
Mhm,
done the mistake, right? So
mhm,
you have to first write these values instead of this because you are calculating 2015, right? First write
mhm.
like 1,70,000
Mm-hmm.
518, then minus 1,75,000,
175.
then 2,728. Because you are going to calculate 2015 value, not
Mm-hmm.
2014. Then first choose this amount, not this.
Yes.
Oh,
Then
yes, that's that.
minus 4760. That's why I'm
Mhm.
telling you guys. Now I done the mistake. I know that. But everybody is telling right. Then what I do right? Now you guys tell me what we are choosing across or down to the across. We are going with the down to the across. Now, if you see that we are coming this side again across, is that mean on furniture 2015 less come to the downside technology 2014. If you I want to find it for a 2017 value, then how do you find it?
Uh, First of all, we
Now,
minus 2015 387 minus 226 364, and the
Tell me
value
the
is
value. Tell me the value, not tell the
oh,
calculation.
minus 10,977.
Is it showing 25,634?
No, no, first furniture value 2017 first.
Okay, I'm not asking this. I'm asking this calculation. How do you do this? For technology, how do you find this
to
last calculation?
see
117.
technology 217 minus office supplies 217 because we are going down.
Okay, now you get to know that, but 271,27731, right? Which you choose for the minus.
The
You choose
above
this,
value
right?
246. Yes,
Let's calculate this. 271,731 minus 246, then 097, then 25,634. Is it showing correctly?
Yes.
Yeah, it's correct.
Now you guys
Yes, it's correct,
understand
sir.
right how to work on across or down. On I'm everything I'm explaining this sheets. I'm going to zoom this for the your preference. Now if you see the sheet, this is the downward, which is I mentioned that across then down. If you working on across then down, it's showing the zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Again, you working for this right, down to and across. First you come to the down, then go to across. Is that mean downward, then come to last calculation here, again down, last calculation here, again down, last calculation completed. This is a downward calculation. Now we done everything about the calculation part. We are going to learn about this, charts on table calculation.
Sorry,
Why I
Dinesh, before you
mentioned
move.
before I move, tell me
Yeah, I wanted to ask, in what sort of situations do we use this table calculations?
table calculation, right? So I will tell you
Mhm.
depends on the requirement to requirement. Now I mentioned that this table calculation, right? Sometimes it depends on the requirement why you are going to the across, why we going to the downward. It depends on the requirement itself. Now sometimes uh, it's totally depends on the calculation to calculation. I'm not tell about this when it going to be used. That's why I prepared some charts how to use these charts on table calculation. If you go with
Oh,
the subcategory chart, go add one more chart. Sorry, this subcategory sales, add this, go to the highest, again click on it, then standard to the interview. Now this amounts has been showing. What if the ranks will be shown, right? Because I don't want to showcase my subcategories in ranks, because this amount it will be just spell it, but ranks it will reflect about your sales. Go to the sales, again quick table calculation, just mention the rank. Now we see first rank phone, 17th rank for fast ones. Again, fifth rank is binders. This is a way we can use table calculation on charts. Now, as you ask the question, what purpose we are going to use, right? This is a purpose we are creating a reports. Meanwhile, you understand after that how to create a reports, then you are going to use the calculations that basis on the scenarios. I will tell you everything about the scenario, how to work on the scenario on the table calculation, LOD's calculation, and everything. Now you understand that how to I created that these fonts with the help of quick table calculation with the rank. Most important thing, whenever you showcase this, right, this is nothing but table calculation. If you see this arrow, delta arrow, if you're coming again, I created pie chart. Let's create pie chart. Again, region, sales, pie chart, go to the entire view, click on T. So do some bordering. Now present to the label, sales into the label. Now, what if I want to showcase, this data? I don't want to showcase these numbers. It's not be big in impact to the my clients. What if this percentage which will show that how much the percentage the west category I'm selling, how much the percentage on east category I'm selling. Is it that much of simple? Go to the sales, quick table calculation, percentage of total. Now go to the presentation mode. Now again, now I can tell that on the east region we have occurred 30% of sales. Again, for the west region We have occurred 31% sales all over the world. How the presentation is that? How it look like? The presentation is more, it's showing an meaningful insights because of the percentage. Am I right or wrong?
Okay.
Yeah, right, Danish.
Right.
Actually, you guys haven't preparing it. I am doing everything. Now, previously first 2 days, 3 days, right? Everybody's interested to learn and everybody's sharing the screen and doing in front of me. Now, nobody's trying to do, creating this kind of charts. Anybody can try this?
Sir, where we located sales in that?
Where we located into sales? We located into the text format, into the text box. In the marks label, I put it into text. If you go with that, I mentioned this text into sum of cells. If T is there, right?
Okay.
Now I choose the presentation mode and showcasing like that. I choose central, I choose west, I choose whatever I want. Now anybody try to do prepare this kind of charts? Guys, I'm doing with free of cost, but you are not putting an interest. It's really waste of my time.
Can I?
Yeah, definitely. Show your screen and try to do with me. Is it kind of an encouragement where participate everything about how do we are creating? Is it part of more the interactive session? Not or I'm on the because I'm just telling everything, you just listening. I don't want this. Be interactive with me. Now you tell me that how it works, this concept. I will tell you how it's work concept. Kanchana, share your screen right now. You're sharing screen, Kanchana? Hello, I'm audible. Hello,
Yeah,
Wait,
hello?
wait.
guys, please. Yeah, I'm audible or not? Confirm the same.
Yeah, I'm audible. Yes, audible.
Yeah, we can hear you, Dinesh.
But what happened? Nobody's responding, right? I thought sometimes, I'm wasting my time in front of yourself.
The screen is not shared.
Not at all.
Okay, I will do for the next concept. Better, and I don't want to waste my time. Okay. Now I'm going to. Now we're done with these two charts, pie chart and bar chart. Now I will tell you that how the line chart it works. Hmm? Now I'm going to explain about how this line chart I created. You know. Now, what do you want to show? Subcategory sales. Again, subcategory into the remove this sum of sales here. I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir, audible.
Yeah. The
Yes,
label
yeah.
into the go to the standard to the entire view. Now, this is the graph which is uncreated. Automatic to line. This is the line chart has been prepared. These numbers I don't want to be showcased. Just sum of sales, you know, quick table calculation. I want to showcase in my percentage of total or rank or percentile or running total, which I want to showcase. Let's choose percentage of total. If you see here, total sum of sale is 100%. And what is my highest sale for which category? Now you guys tell me. is nothing but phones, chairs, storage. This is my top three categories. Phone, chairs, storage. With the help of percentage, right? If you go to the year, how what we do now, let's the presentation mode, right? I remove this shoulder. Again, I remove this shoulder. Again, I go for the presentation mode. I will tell the client this is the phone storage. Even if you write the names as well, phone storage. But how is looking like front of from starting to downward? How is it looking right? You can easily understand these are the top three categories, and these are the lowest categories which are selling. The top 30% categories which we are selling is phones, storage, phone chair storage. You want to include the names as well. Again, labels as well. The labels quick table calculation, percentage of total. Now if you see, phones is 14.37, chairs is 14.30, storage is 9.74, table is 9.1, binders is 8.85. What are my top three categories? These are the top three categories. Phone, chair, storage. What are my bottom three categories? Fasten, label, envelopes. These are the bottom three categories. How the simple calculation it works with the help of percentage. Now we're done with the line chart. This is the main chart which I'm going to create tree map with the help of calculation. These are really, which is every question, 100% is the question is there for the interview. Now, what is the making a difference in the tree map and eight map? I already asked the question, this question. You can go with the mock interview link. I will share you the mock interview link today, which I conducted with the Sanjay. So you can look into that how I asked the question and how to prepare for the interviews. Okay. Now
Okay.
we are going to prepare tree map. Then first write tree map. Okay, just rename it. Meanwhile, you just write everything about what kind of sheets are there, sheet name. I forgot, but you don't need to forget. Okay. Now I'm going to prepare subcategory by sales. Just subcategory sales pie chart. Now sales into the labels. Now labels into the to table calculation, percentage of total, again presentation mode. Now we can try to be present with the client. So here is the top three categories are there: phone, chairs, storage, which is contributing 30% of your sale. And here the top, bottom categories are there, label, envelopes, arts. This is the bottom of the categories. You want to be more focused on these categories as well, but you're getting almost 50% of your sales from phones, chairs, storage, tables, binders, machine. If you are really focused that how much the sales has been bigger, the rectangular shape has been going to be increases. How much your sales has been decreases from 14% to 1%. If you see the rectangle shape has been smallest to be smallest. If your sales has been 14%, the rectangle shape has been increased. Is that mean the this chart, this tree map, it shows the hierarchical structure of the data. Hierarchical. Hierarchy is that means anybody can tell me what is the meaning of hierarchy? You don't know hierarchy.
It's order of what? Importance.
Now, if you see that, is it showing hierarchy or not? Tell me.
Yeah, it's showing.
Is it showing or not? Guys, please and confirm me. Because if
Yes,
you're
yes,
not
it's showing.
responding, then I will lost my mind. I will tell that it's not showing anything. I don't think that I'm
Showing.
putting my efforts and you're not putting. You should know that why this guy is doing everything and why I'm not doing anything. You should put yourself and try to ask the question that why you are not putting in efforts. Okay. So we're done with this start as well. Today I'm going very fast, but you should know about this. Now we are going to cover about dual axis. So first of all, what is dual axis? This is a mainly used when two measures are used to be dual lines. If you see that better, what you do now, I will use an yellow. This is the mainly used when two measures are used in a dual line graphs or charts. So what is it saying? Suppose example sales or profit by year. In this case, this sales and profit are prepared two different axes. What does that mean? Now go here, subcategory, sales, again, you know, highest to the lowest, clicking on the label. Now just standard to the entire view. Now, what is my question? If I add this dimension, is it showcasing, you know, two charts? I don't want two charts. I want in a single chart showcase sales and profit. Is it possible?
Yes, it's possible.
Other Roy, other people's, anybody have answer about this? Ganesh, Rishi, James.
Mm, yes, it's
Now,
possible.
now what I'm telling, sum of category by sales. Let if add profit, it's showing the, two charts. This one chart, this two chart. I don't want. I know sales and profit, it will be shown with the same chart in a single chart. How is it possible or not? Anything respond me?
Yes, it is possible with stacked bar charts.
Possible.
But is it not dimension? It is a major, and we want to combine it. That is dimension you're telling, right? Okay, let's tell me how is possible. Tell me.
We use stacked bars.
We use
By
Stacked bars.
we use
Stacked bars.
chart. Pass. I don't understand anything. Can you please repeat?
I said we
sir, we can
use
use
stacked bars.
Pass.
Or
Okay.
let me type it. Yes,
I haven't
stacked
understand.
chart.
Stack chart. Okay, you want stack column chart, right?
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, but is a dimension, right? How we are going to prepare this?
Sir, we can also use pie chart.
Now, two bars alongside for sales and profit. It may work.
Now, if we say sales and profit, this is subcategory by sales and profit. There, what are the options are there? One by one, clearly read everyone, or else read one person. One by one, what is options we are getting?
Filter, show
Loudly,
filter,
loudly.
filter, show filter, apply to worksheet, format, show header, include a tool. What is this? Tulip. Dimensions, attribute, measure sum, discrete, continuous, edit it self, add table calculation, quick table calculation, dual access, mark type, or remove.
Now we can use dual axis. Again, go to the chart, automatic to the bar chart. Now, if you see here clearly, now we have combined in a single chart. Now let's suppose, sum of sales, it remain in a bar chart. Sum of profit, it remains on line chart. Now go to the presentation mode. Now if you see, this side is sales, okay, and this side is profit. I'm showcasing two measures in a one chart. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, it's right.
You're right.
Now, what if I choose bar chart? For sum of sale bar chart, for sum of sale for the bar chart as well. Again, right click. What are the options we are getting? Tell me. We are getting the select, marks, edit axis, synchronizing axis. Now I'm talking about this. So if you keen observer, right? Minus 20K, minus 20K, again minus 10K, 0K, 10K. How much is difference? Guys, please respond me.
10K.
10K. 100K to 50K, 50K to 0K, 0K to 50K. How much is difference?
50K.
So can you, is it really fine that sales and profit are different, they have in the difference are there? Because if difference is very high, right, the chart is not looking good.
Yes, right.
Then what you do? Synchronizing axis.
Yeah.
Then we have a lot of subcategories. Let's remove the subcategory, add the category, then highest to the lowest, then go to the presentation mode. Now, before going to the presentation mode, we will remove this show header. Now we will add the, sales profit. Now this is the one. Now go to the tooltip. Guys,
Yes, sir.
now I'm telling you about this. Now I can showcase to the my client. So if you go to technology, 8,36,000 about your sale. Again, if you go to the profit, you can go to 1,45,000. Is it much more difficulties you're facing on line chart, right? Simple. Profit, line to the bar chart. Again, go to the presentation mode. Tell him like, 8,36,000 about your sales. Again, technology profit is 1,45,000 within a single chart, not double charts are there. If you see profit, sale, profit, sale. Is it really cooking good?
Yes.
Is it not showing in double charts, right? Is it showing in a single chart? If you see,
Yes, sir.
let's do some bordering, right? Now for this, for the V color, what we choose green color. Now do some bordering. Now go to the presentation mode. Click here, black border. Again, right click here, again, black border. Again, you can telling that this is your profit, this is your sales. This is your profit, this is your sale. You can add year as well according to you can tell that these are 2017 profit sale, 2017 profit sale, 2017 profit sale. These are top three categories which you are selling. Now going to the next chart, blended axis. This is a mainly used when more than two measures. I go with the yellow. What is telling? This is the mainly used when more than two measures are used in a multi-line graphs or charts. Suppose what we done that we done with the sales and profit, we have just used the dual axis, right? Because we want to showcase these two measures in a single chart. What if I will go with the multiple measures, discount, profit, quantity, sales. I want to add n number of measures, then what you do? Let's suppose I want to add discount, profit, quantity, sales, again orders count, everything I want to add it. Whatever that. I want to add it in a single chart itself, not in double charts.
We can use a different color also, and the quick
Let's suppose subcategories here. Let's suppose sales here.
yes.
Again, I choose line chart. Now let's suppose remove the subcategory because we have a lot of subcategories. We choose this time segment by sales. Hmm. Now choose to the entire view. Now, now, now click on T mark. Now I added sum of sales into the segment. What if I want to add profit, quantity, sales? If I added profit, right, it will showcase in double. Again, if I add quantity, right, it's showcasing again three graphs. I don't want this. Remove this. Remove this. I want to showcase in a single chart.
Mm,
What is showcasing? Tell me.
different charts are show line charts are there.
different charts.
What is this? Green chart.
This would
This
There
green
was
color. Hmm? What is this green color line?
this is a profit.
Who is telling
there was
profit? Whose the name is that? Who is telling the profit? This is a quantity. If you see that here, this is a quantity green color. This yellow color line is nothing but sales. If you see that,
yes.
now
Okay.
this is blue
Yeah,
color line is nothing but profit. Then
profit.
what I done, tell me? I have done that, I use multiple measures in a single chart. If you see that, I use orders, discount, profit,
Profit.
quantity, sales. If you see, again, you can show the, percentage as well. If what if the sales I want to showcase a percentage, right? Go here with table calculation, percentage of total. Is it changing because of lot of is coming on downside because you're adding the calculations, right? Then if you go to here, we have done adding one measure is nothing but sales. Second is profit. Third, green nothing but quantity. Again, come down, red is nothing but discount. Discount and quantity, discount and again, one more is there, count of orders. There are two things out there. If you see here, we can add n number of charts. If I remove quantity, it will remove. If I remove discount, it will be removed. If I remove profit, again there are two lines only. Again, if I remove orders, it will showcasing one line. Suppose I add profit, just drag here, drop here. Suppose you want to add quantity, drag here, drop here. Again, you order quantity, drag here, drop here. Go to the presentation mode. You can easily look into that. Suppose you don't want to showcase the segment option, you know, add field column. If you don't want to showcase this, go here, show it there. That's fine. Only lines are showing, right? And this is single chart. We are adding in a single chart on multiple measures. This is nothing but blended axis. If we go to my presentation mode, dual axis is nothing but whenever we want to be combined two measures like sales and profit, I will add in green, this in gray color. Because if you want to be add in sales and profit, you want to be combined and you want to showcase the charts as well with the help of two measures to be combined, that then we are going to use dual axis. If someone is asking what is the dual axis, then tell me we can combine two measures with the help of dual axis and we can showcase that with two measures in a single chart. So the simple meaning, whenever you want to be combine two measures in a single chart or line chart or different charts, you want to be combine it. That is simple meaning. When come to the dual axis, when we want to combine more than two measures in a single chart, then we are going to use. Suppose an example, I want to showcase sales, profit, discount, quantity. I want to this showcase in a single chart or in a line chart. I can showcase that with the help of blended axis. Now
Okay.
you guys understand, right? How to work on the charts, again the calculations as well.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dinesh.
Now, I have covered from there only. So tomorrow I will try to cover more concepts. Maximum, I will try to complete this tableau session on next Friday itself. If you see.
Okay. Yeah.
So maximum it is my aim to try to complete, because we can lot of things to be added. Again, we will try to create one more batch for Tableau and SQL. That is for the totally full pack, because in that batch we are going to add the projects, 5+ projects for each, 3+ mock interviews plus certificates. And but the that work that this upcoming workshop, right? Upcoming workshop, is it going to be really more than wonderful? Because I'm the one person taking the interviews, I'm the one person to do all the mock interviews, I'm the one person doing for the interview sessions, again doing for the resume preparation session, doing for the LinkedIn sessions, everything. Again, part of Tableau with SQL. So once
Okay.
we will complete, right, we'll think about this. Now, as of now, what we are learned today, any doubt about this? Any, are facing any difficulties?
Sir, can I share my screen? I have just one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, I just prepare a line graph. So can you just brief me about that? Is right or not?
Okay, share your screen.
It is visible, sir.
Yeah, it is visible. So now what you done that, subcategory by sum of sales, right?
Yeah. So is this
Then why is
okay?
it showing this many lines? Even
Actually,
you
I just
haven't added, remove everything. Again, try again, remove everything, remove everything. Again, remove. Now let's time to the category by sales and create a line chart. Not get subcategory by sales.
category and sales, right?
Now, with it showcasing, if they're not showcasing anything, now click on T,
T, where is T?
label. Where is the label?
Okay, yeah, label.
Okay. Show mark labels. Click on that. Box is there, right? On the first corner.
Hmm.
Okay, done with that. Now go with the presentation mode. You can again, you can mention the names as well, which category you have, but don't worry, the names are mentioned in the write down, right? Now we can present that. Yeah, now drag the profit and down, again drag the sales, again down. No, 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 not like that. We want to prepare the blended access, right? Drag the
So where
profit, drag profit, I will tell you.
so where I
Drag
drag the
profit, drag and put it to sales. Here, drag,
where
try. I will tell. I will tell you. Just drag the profit.
where sir, sales now? Yeah.
Now
Then
add it. If you're showcasing in that kind of square box,
where
add it.
Here in
I will share my screen. I will share my screen. Hmm?
yeah, okay.
Now category by sales. Again, I create this chart. I will change the automatic to line chart. Now standard to the entire view.
Sir, you can share your screen, so I just check according to that.
Okay. Okay. Now category sales
Your
line
screen is
chart.
not visible.
Visible, right? Well, I have shared my screen. If you ask to
No, it's not
anyone,
visible.
if you see
yes,
right
it's
now,
visible.
Yeah, okay,
now
yeah, it's visible.
category by sum of sales You done with that category by sum of cells.
Yes.
Again, now we can go with the presentation mode. We can go with the presentation. Now,
Okay.
what if I want to add multiple measures? That means we are going to prepare on blended axis chart. So go
Okay.
and add a quantity. If you see, this is the area you want to add. Whenever you're
Okay.
adding, right, this
Hmm.
icon is square box, it will comes. If you see the square
Yeah.
box, starting with the square box, just drop it here. Again, discount, the box will come, drop here. Again, quantity, the box will come, drop here.
Okay.
Again, this is sales, this is the quantity, and this is the discount.
Okay.
What I done simply, you know, simply what we do order count, simply drag and put into the square box. This square it comes, right? Is it square showing, right? This value, this is the main area you want to be dragging, not here. If you want to be
Okay.
drag here as well, it will become. If you see, just remove everything one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. Now, is it showing? Now, remove this sales into the, this here. Again, profit, you can add like that. But whenever you're adding here only, is it showcasing like that? So make sure you should be add profit into this box only. If you see,
Okay. Okay, sir.
let's suppose I added drag into the year only. How is it showcasing? Tell me. Is it
Hmm.
good?
No.
Let's suppose this sales, right? I'm adding here only. Is it creating
Hmm.
multiple lines?
Lines. Yeah.
If you see, this is sales, profit, discount. Because this square box values scale box I've added.
Yes.
Okay. Now, any
Yeah.
doubt in that?
No, no. So understood.
Okay. So, any doubt, please let me know, or else we will wind up the meeting and we will try to do something, try to cover more syllables, try to cover in-depth knowledge about Tableau, then go with the mock interviews. If you are interested to, that batch as well, you have to come that. Now we'll try to cover more things in this batch as well. The most important thing, you will guys to make it, you try to do making more efforts. If I'm putting my efforts, then you should be more concentrate what I'm telling and try to be, try to be asked the more questions. Try to be, try to be understand about what kind of things to be where need to be work. What are the concepts are there? Remember one thing, whatever you are learning, right? If you focus on skills, that will help to you achieve the goal in life, either job, either anything. At the end of the day, focusing the skill set. If you have a good skill set, definitely will get a job. That is not a big issue.
Sure, sir.
Okay. And now I will request you. I will try to be added recording videos and I will share with you. That is not an issue that, but taking a lot of time because doing first time I'm learning editing. Again, I'm taking help from my few friends. Then that didn't taking much time. What if you want without editing, then that's fine for me. But I was thinking from others, they are newly joined, then they are difficult with that, without showing in a directly continuous 2 hours. Is it really difficult, right? So today we will wind up the meeting and any doubts, please let me know. And everybody, I'm very thank you for the showing for the efforts to work on the Tableau. And I definitely help you to, to do a lot of new things, whether you perform as a data analyst role, as a data scientist role. But one thing is primary. You should putting your efforts, work hard, and try to better what yesterday is that. Life is my rule is nothing is but simple rule. I will tell you the my life rule. Don't think like that I'm giving motivation. Is it simple rule for applicable? If you're okay with that to take knowledge, then really happy with that. What is my perception is that what you done today, right? You can do better tomorrow. And what you done tomorrow, right? You can better than more than better tomorrow. Is that mean what today I'm learning, right? I can practice tomorrow. I can try to do better, more practicing. So my aim is only one. What you done today, right? Try to be more perfect in that and try to do more things. Again, try to be more perfect. How we can do a work, how we can do any work in a perfectly. If you look into back, right? Suppose what we are doing to Tableau. Then again, if you learn perfectly Tableau, right? Again, do practicing perfectly. Again, you done lot of doing practicing, right? Then you look into back, you learn lot of new things. The simple meaning is that you should be day by day better more than that. You're doing anything, any kind of an activity, any kind of job doesn't mean. What if you're a study, you're more than be, today powerful? Does that mean you should be upgrade yourself every day by day? And you should be, that is the main growth. You're understanding, right? What I'm telling?
Understood.
Yes.
Understood.
What you understood, tell me. Whatever I'm telling, just telling understood. What you understood, tell me. Lovely, tell me what you understood. All I'm telling is try to be, more perfect yourself what yesterday you have. This line, it's very important to be anywhere. If you're asking yourself what yesterday I'm having the skills or anything, what yesterday I'm having I can perfect more tomorrow. If you don't doing this thing right, you will never do anything about life. Apart from job, apart from doing anything, doesn't matter. Nervous, onward, are you with me?
Yes,
Yes, we are
Okay,
with you.
thank you so much. So let's wind up the
Yes.
meeting. This is small thing which is I'm telling. Don't take much seriously, okay? Otherwise, life is so easy, right? At the end of day, one more
Yes.
thing, right? At the end of day, suppose lovely, what you done yesterday, anything about your life, any education, any study, what you done yesterday, if you're doing what you done yesterday, right? This the second tomorrow, the second day, you should be more than focusing on what you're doing yesterday. You should be more comfortable, you should be more focused on that work, what you done yesterday. Yesterday I complete my work. Again, I try to do some more things which is be more which is more to be added in that. Is that simple meaning that what you done yesterday, today you'll be try to do more things. Today try to do more learning things, try to be more added values in your life. That is a way to do something in your career or in your life, in your anything. Then if you do this at least for 1 month or 1 year, when you look into the back, lot of changes it will be happen in your life. I trust you. I will give 1000% assurity plus guarantee if doesn't work out. Okay. So let's wind up the meeting and I will stop the recording first.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So take care. Bye everyone.